This is it, guys and gals. If you're watching this video, you're probably looking to take your engineering career to the next level. If you're a senior in college or have graduated from an ABET accredited 4-year engineering program, then you might be looking to take your Fundamentals of Engineering, aka FE examination to receive your Engineer Intern or Engineer in Training certification. Now you might ask, why do I need to take the FE exam? Well, for starters, I'd say taking this exam fresh out of college or possibly during your senior year is probably best because all the material covered in this exam will rather be fresh in your head, and the good news is that once you pass the FE exam, it is good indefinitely. What that means is you don't ever have to retake the exam, but at some point you might need to renew it if you haven't gotten your professional engineer certification. But it's okay, you have like 8 years before it expires and in need of renewal. Another thing is that a company might find you more valuable if you have already gotten this certification. The FE exam is a total of 6 hours, 5 hours, and 20 minutes for the actual exam, and is taken on a station computer with a searchable PDF that has all the formulas that you'll need to solve the problems in the exam. Now, these formulas are sometimes in a different format than what you might have seen in your engineering courses, so understand them well and know how they are used. You'll be taking the exam on a good-sized monitor. I think it's like 24 inches, so you can have the reference sheet and your exam windows side by side. Doing the math, you'll realize that you'll have nearly 3 minutes per problem. My suggestion is, when you're taking the exam, solve the ones you can glance at and start working on, and flag and skip the ones that you don't know, and then come back to them at the end. The department lets you take in a non-graphing or smart calculator, limiting you to a scientific calculator. The models allowed as of today are listed below. I'd suggest the TI-30XS because it has a 4-line screen and is rather affordable. Get to know your calculator so you aren't figuring it out during this exam. I'm going to make videos on all the subjects covered and do some practice problems to simulate what you might see during this exam. This exam is comprised of 18 topics learned throughout your undergraduate career. These topics are mathematics, probability and statistics, ethics and professional practice, which can be found in the NCEES handbook and is free to download once you create an account on their website, engineering economics, properties of electrical materials, engineering science, circuit analysis, which includes DC and AC steady state, linear systems, signal processing, electronics, power, electromagnetics, control systems, communications, computer networks, digital systems, computer systems, and software development. Now, I will be making videos for each topic and hope that it helps you in passing your exam. If you like what you learned from my videos, please don't hesitate to donate to my efforts of bringing you more engineering-based videos. I really want to get one of those learning glass boards, and the donations would help. If you don't, then hit that like button. Anyways, you'll get your results within 7 to 10 days after you take the exam and receive an email notification from NCEES with instructions to view results. Now, if you've passed, which is like any exam, you got to score 70% or better, then they just say that. But if you failed, which I hope you don't, they won't say which problems you missed, but rather which parts you lacked in. You'll receive something like this. And then you can go from there to improve yourself for the next repeat of the exam, which is available during each 2-month period and up to 3 times a year. I'm praying you guys pass it on the first try so you don't have to cough up another $175 or so. Once you pass this exam, you're on your way to working under a PE for a few years, typically 2 to 4 years, and then you're eligible to take the Principles and Practice of Engineering exam to receive your Professional Engineer, aka PE certification. I wish you all the best, and may the force be with you.